Here we're going to try to simplify a fraction, but we look for common factors. A lot easier to tell if we have this factored. So let's think, if I do minus 4 and plus 3, that would add to negative 1 and multiply to negative 12. And then here on the bottom I notice both of these are divisible by 4. And so if I factor a 4 out, I'm left with 16 minus y squared. Then I notice, hey, this is difference of squares. So I could do 4 plus and minus y. Then there might be a moment where you notice this factor and this factor don't quite cancel because they're not exactly the same, but they're so close you feel like, isn't there something I can do here? Well, notice the only thing that's really different between them is the signs. It has a positive 4 and a negative y, and this one has vice versa. So either one of them, think if I factor out a negative 1, it would make this negative y and that positive 4. And so now notice they are the same. I could write this one as 4 minus y, or I could have done it with this one, it doesn't matter which. So if they only differ by a negative, you can always factor a negative out. And so now negative y plus 4 and negative y plus 4 actually do cancel. And so I'm left with negative. Be careful if you don't distribute this negative to leave the parentheses around y plus 3 or put negative y minus 3.